If you're over 50 and you've been looking for a way to make money from home because you don't want another job, but you keep seeing people online talking about making money from their phone, and you're thinking, okay, but what are you actually doing? That's what I'm going to show you. Because I think before you ever decide whether an online business is right for you, you should understand how the thing actually works. And we're going to make this simple because maybe you're not looking to become a millionaire. Maybe you just want more choices. Maybe you'd like to retire when you're ready instead of when your bank account says you can. Maybe you would like to help your kids spoil the grandbabies and say yes to that vacation, or just another stream of income coming into your house without giving somebody else another 40 hours of your week. That's what I wanted. I wanted another way to make money that could fit around my life, not another job that I had to fit my life around. So, if you don't know me, my name is Paula. I also go by Digital Granny. I'm a mama of five, three homeschoolers, two adults, and I'm a nana of three. And back in 2024, I was door dashing 40 plus hours a week, and I was homeschooling my kids, and I was tired. If I wasn't out on the road, I wasn't making money, and I knew I didn't want another job. I wanted a way to make money from home and still be here for my kids. And let me tell you, God brought me this. I didn't know how to do any of this when I started. I didn't have some fancy marketing degree. I didn't have a product I didn't invented, and I definitely wasn't some social media expert. I was a beginner, but I was willing to learn. Now, let me show you the big picture before we break anything down, because this is where I think people make online business sound way more complicated than it needs to sound. So let me get my little whiteboard here. I know if you've never seen me in my whiteboard, let's do this. So I create content, right? Short videos. Now I'm on two platforms. I'm on TikTok and I'm on YouTube. I was going to say YT. I make short videos. When people want the information about what this is, they are actually going to do something. They're going to drop their email. Okay. So when they drop their email, it kickstarts, don't mind my Christmas clock, my 24-hour automated system. That system that is out there working for me 24 hours around the clock provides them with the details on the business. And let me tell you what happens when they get that information. They can actually decide whether they do or they don't want to start their own business. So if they decide they want to, boom, I got customers. Now, this is a very simple overview. Let me grab my cap. A very simple overview of this, okay? But that's it. Now, there are pieces underneath each one of these you have to learn, but I don't want you worrying about those yet. We're going to take this like one piece at a time. And here's another thing I want you to understand. I don't spend 8 hours a day doing this. I focus on 2 hours a day on the activities that build my business, and 2 hours is on one platform. So if you're on another platform, it depends on what you're doing, but you do got to add more time. Now, that doesn't mean I push a button for 2 hours and money magically appears. This is a business, and you need to be willing to learn something new and put in the effort. Now, in the next video, I'm actually going to show you what I do during that time. Not just tell you, I'm going to show you. And friend, think about the difference for a minute. If you could actually build something in focused pockets of your day, what could you do with the rest of your time? Maybe it's picking up your grandkids on a Tuesday afternoon. Maybe it's going to see your daughter for a week without asking a boss for permission. Maybe you're homeschooling like me. Maybe you're approaching retirement and you just don't want the next chapter of your life controlled by somebody else's schedule. Your reason doesn't have to look like mine, but I want you to start thinking about what more control over your time and another stream of income could mean for your life. because that's the reason we're learning the rest of this. So, throughout this little series, we're going to take this apart. First, what do I actually do? I'm going to show you the videos and the work. Then, what happens when somebody is interested? I'm going to show you how the automated system fits in. Then, we're going to answer the big question: where does the money actually come from? What are people buying? What am I selling? And finally, if you're thinking, okay, Paula, but if I actually started this thing, who's going to show me what to do? I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you that too, one piece at a time. But before we go any further, I want to make sure we're clear. This is not a job. I'm not showing you a work from home position that you apply for. We're talking about starting an online business. You're going to have to learn some skills, do the work. You're probably going to make some mistakes along the way, like I have. But hopefully, I can save you on doing some of the same things, doing some of the same mistakes. But you don't have to know how to do all of it today. That's what I want this playlist to show you. So let's start with the first piece. What would you actually do? Because if you're sitting there thinking, Paula, I don't even know if I could do what you do, I want you to see it before you decide that. In part two, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing with my phone, including one of the little 7-second videos I make. And we're going to break down what those 2 hours actually look like. Go watch part two. What do you actually do? And I'll see you over there.